Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to update your host file on your computer. The purpose of doing this would be to either stop websites from being accessed on that particular computer, or you can also trick your computer into thinking that a website is hosted on a different server. This can come in handy when you've already got a website up live and running, and instead of just using a dev server, what you can do is you can actually create a new account with another host, for example, and just trick your computer into thinking that that domain name is actually hosted with that new host as opposed to the one that they're with now, without changing the name servers. So I'll give you an example. Let's just say if you want to block Facebook from being accessed on your particular computer, what you can do is you just need to go into the host file and tell the host file that Facebook.com should be pointing to a different IP address, and then from then on Facebook won't be able to be accessed. So what you need to do is, if you just go into your computer and go to the C drive, you just need to go into your Windows folder. Now on my computer the Windows folder is actually hidden, but what you can do if it's hidden, just go up to the top and type Windows here, and then you need to go to System32. So if you go down the list, click on System32 and then look for a folder called drivers, and then click on etc, and as you can see the host file is here. Now a lot of permissions on Windows don't actually allow you to edit the host file in this particular folder, so what I like to do is you just drag the host file out of your folder, put it on the desktop. It's on the desktop now, and then you can right click on it and open it, and it will ask you what you want to open it in. You can just open it up in Notepad, and then as you can see there's some information here. Now what you want to do is you want to point Facebook.com to a different IP address, or just point it to your local machine. For example, what I'll do is I've got this pre-saved. I'm pointing Facebook.com to 198.192.0.1 and www.facebook.com to 198.192.0.1. Now this IP address doesn't have anything on it, so basically when someone goes to Facebook.com on this computer, it will go nowhere, it won't load. So you can do that for everything. If you know the IP address of a different server of a website that you're developing that's already got a current live website, you can just change the IP address and point that to the new IP, and it will actually use that on your particular PC only, which is good for when you're developing a website. So what you do, you save that file and you drag it back into there and hit continue. Now what should happen is, if you go to Facebook.com, it actually won't load. So your computer is being tricked thinking that Facebook is hosted on a different server which doesn't even exist, and therefore it won't load it. We'll just check another thing. Go into command and type ping facebook.com, and as you can see it's pinging facebook.com at that particular IP address which does not exist. So that's just a quick and easy way to make your computer think that a website is on another server. Thanks.